who is leading the specialty food ingredients market and what is driving their competitive advantage. Cargill leads the market with 4%, followed by Kerry Group with 4%. Archer Daniels holds 3%, while DSM and International Flavor and Fragrances each account for 2%. Collectively, the top 5 providers represent 15% of the global specialty food ingredients market, highlighting a highly fragmented competitive environment. The remaining 85% is distributed among other global and regional suppliers, indicating strong competition across specialized ingredient categories. Markets move fast. Your decision needs to move faster. The 360iResearch platform brings analyst-authored research and AI-powered discovery together in one place. Ask targeted market questions, track competitors, explore industry shifts, and uncover timely insights that help your team move from data to confident action. Connect with 360iResearch and turn inspiring insights into dependable actions.